Hello everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're making another festive little appetizer for the holiday season. We're making marinated broccoli stems. Now I am sure you've seen this before because it is on page 30 of my cookbook. And the cookbook is Welcome to the Hacienda, companion cookbook to my YouTube channel, Rivet Gardener. And if you want a cookbook, you can email me. My email is at go to my YouTube channel home, go to the About tab, and I got my email in there. Shoot me an email, or you can leave me a comment on this, and I'll make sure you get a cookbook. Now wait, I lied. It wasn't on page 30. Hold on. Here we go. It's on page 10, and I got a photograph on there too. And there is a recipe down there. Marinated broccoli stems. Is it gonna get focused or not? But anyway, there it is. Now we're going to do a little variation of it. In the original recipe, it's a Spanish recipe that uses white wine vinegar. We're going with apple cider vinegar, and we're going to jazz it up with some hot crushed red pepper flakes. I've made these things dozens of times, and this is going to work out real nice. So let's get going. I got a bunch more broccoli off camera, but this is what I want to show you how to do it. You take the broccoli bunch and you cut the stem off. Then you cut the dried ugly portion off and throw it away. You don't want that. So then you want to cut these babies into about 1/4 inch slices like that. If they're a little thicker, that's fine. But remember, this is an appetizer and you don't want a vulgar mouthful as you're munching. But I actually love this stuff because a lot of people don't know that the stem is very edible and tastes delicious. And when I steam broccoli, if I'm not making these guys, I'm steaming the stem and eating it too. Very nutritious, very good to go. So let's go ahead and chop up the rest of it. To initially make this, after we got the broccoli all sliced up, we got some extra virgin olive oil. This one is from Crete, Greece. Colimvari. Anyway, we need about 1/2 cup of olive oil. And, okay, we'll call that a 1/2 cup. As you can tell here at the Rivet's Hacienda, we do not use measuring devices really. Now we need about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. We'll call that 1/4 cup. Okay, then we got, instead of kosher salt, I've got coarse ground Mediterranean sea salt, hot crushed red pepper flakes, and Cider's garlic. Always got to have that. Okay, so now we're going to whisk this up really well. So join me in a little bit. Now that we got this whisked up really nicely, and you want to whisk it until the salt disintegrates. And now we're going to add the broccoli stems, and we want to incorporate them really well so they're covered all together. Okay, join me in a few minutes. Okay, so we've transferred them to a smaller container excuse me, where they can be completely submerged or thereabouts in the marinade. And now we're just going to cover it with saran wrap, and you want to marinate them 4 to 6 hours, or if you want, you can stick them in the fridge and marinate them overnight. It's your call. You just want to have those flavors just get absorbed by the broccoli. So join me when we're ready to munch. Once I got them covered with saran wrap, every 10, 15, 20 minutes or so, I kind of stir them up like that because I'm not going to refrigerate them overnight. We're going to let them wait 4 hours, 5 hours, then we're going to taste them. Outstanding! Okay, here we are about 4 hours later, marinating at room temperature. They look very pretty, very festive. The addition of the red pepper flakes certainly made it more festive looking than the original recipe, but let's give it a try. Oh, they smell absolutely delicious. I don't know about you all, but I love apple cider vinegar. So let's go for it. Wow. What a bite. Sea salt. Much more potent than kosher salt, but it's good. And wow, that apple cider vinegar is spot on. I like Bragg's. I like the unfiltered one with the mother in it. It's got a good flavor. It's good for you. These are very different from the original ones in that they've got a boatload and a mouthful of more flavor, and it's a combination of the apple cider vinegar and the red pepper flakes. That's it, really. And the marinating in the vinegar and oil kind of cooks the broccoli stem, so it's not as hard and crunchy as if you would eat it raw as soon as you cut it. 4 hours at room temp is plenty. 6, good. And if you want to prep ahead and do them overnight, ahead of time, why not? They're not going to get mushy at all. I can guarantee you that. They'll stay crisp overnight. So anyway, hope you like that, people. Perfect appetizer for while your friends and neighbors and guests and family are waiting for the Christmas dinner. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.